Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money in Wise. So simply in order to do this, just you have to open your Wise account. After that, go to home and just there you can find the balances option. So now I want to withdraw my money. Simply select the balances that you want to withdraw. After that, just you can open this, so you will find the send option enable. So in my case I don't have any amount in my account, so simply when you have amount here you will find the send option. So when you click on send option, directly you will move to next page. There you will add your bank account details. So here you can see I want to send money to myself, so simply I have selected this, and after that just you have to select your country and bank account details. So in this way, when you complete your all details, simply you can easily withdraw money in Wise.